If you'd like to see how I'm going to completely transform and color in this plain dome lid 20-ounce cup into this lovely glamorous rhinestone embellished cup, keep watching this video. YouTube, today in this video I'm going to be adding some embellishments to this 22-ounce dome lid tumbler cup. Now it's 20-ounce or 22-ounce, one of them. I'm not going to embellish the whole cup. I can, but I'm not today. That's very time consuming. I want to make something for my sister-in-law, and I have some really pretty greens. I narrowed it down to which one I want to use, but I have some really pretty green jelly rhinestones, and she really likes the color OD green. So I've already cut out her name with my silhouette cameo. I'm going to add this to the cup and add some embellishments to the name. And I am going to be scuffing this up with some sandpaper and adding embellishments to the whole dome area. So I'm just going to do the dome and the initials on the decal. So I'm going to start off with the part that's going to take the longest, which is the dome. I'm going to be using 1 dot, not a lot glue. I've already put some in this little precision tip bottle. I'm going to be using this rhinestone wax pickup pen, and I will have a link to this. I finally have some of these in myself, so I'll be carrying these. Then on Amazon, I picked up these little rhinestone shaker trays one of my subscribers told me about. They're pretty cool. They're supposed to make sure the stones are upright for you. You just give it a little shake. So I'm excited about that because sometimes it's hard to get them to flip over, and it just takes too much time trying to flip them. So this is pretty cool. All right, so I've already wiped everything off with alcohol. I'm gonna have to wipe it off again anyway because this will create some dust. So you want to make sure you scuff this up really, really good. Oh, and I'm going to get a Sharpie to color the background of this green also. I'll grab that in a second. So what I'm going to do, this is going to look all scratchy and ashy, but that's fine because we're going to cover this up. You can get sandpaper from Dollar Tree. So, see that, how ashy it looks? That's a good thing. So continue on with that. This is how your lid will look once you hit it with the sandpaper.
The Sharpie color that I chose that will best fit what I'm working with today. I don't have one darker, so this is gonna have to work. And I've already showed you how I went ahead and sanded this down, and I rinsed it off and washed it so there's no dust or debris here. And I'm just going to go ahead and start to color this in. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it won't be. You just want to make sure that you're coloring the area where you'll be applying the rhinestones.
Okay, so here's the outcome once I went ahead and colored in with my Sharpie on the dome here. And I'm just going to start adding the rhinestones. I like to start at the very edge of the cup, and I'm just going to add them one by one and keep them as close and tight as possible. And be sure not to make a mistake to bump any of this because it will be misaligned. So just be careful to make sure when you're holding it that you don't smudge any of this up, because the glue does not dry right away at all. It actually takes a few days to cure. So the longer the cure, the better. Oh, and the reason you need to scuff up your cup is because you want to have some type of gritty feeling to it so the glue and the rhinestones adhere to it and don't come off as easily. In case you were wondering why you need to scuff it up a little bit. So I decided to add on some SS12, which is equivalent to a 3mm, just about, not exact, to this little ledge area. Because if I would have tried with my 5mm, it would have been too big and the rhinestone would have hung off just a little bit. So I thought the clear would be a nice addition since I only have the one size in this color. So it's coming along pretty nicely. There will be a link to where you could purchase this cup and other really cool cups that I have for sale, and also the wax pickup stick that I'm using in this video as well, in case you're interested. Okay, so the dome lid is all done. I love this color. I love the sparkle of it. Now what I'm doing is adding on the vinyl I cut out with my silhouette cameo. And I'm adding this onto the cup, just making sure it's lined up. I already washed this part of the cup off and I cleaned it off with alcohol just to make sure that the decal stays on there very good. You can take an old gift card or whatever it is, smooth that on there very firmly, and go ahead and pull off the contact paper and you're all set. So now we have the decal on. I'm adding glue. It's just like tracing something out. I'm adding a nice little thin layer of glue. Now you see me adding the rhinestones onto the decal. So just a quick idea, if you don't have a cutter and you are not able to have a decal on your cup, either you can bling out the whole cup, it'll take a long time, be patient, or if you trust yourself, get a crayon, maybe a pencil or something, and cursive it in with your hand, then go over it with the precision tip glue, little bit by little bit, and just go ahead and trace your own writing with a pen or a Sharpie with the rhinestones on the cup. You can give that a try. It's just an idea. It's just a cool, cute way to customize something for you or a friend. And you can go ahead and bling out the whole cup. Again, I just didn't have the time and I like what I did on here. There's many different ways you can design this, but I thought this was just really cute. Even if you left it blank and just did the dome lid, that would be cute too. Or if you added a decal and didn't bling it out, that's still cute too. So there's like so many different ways you can go about doing this. Okay, you guys, here is the finished and final product. I used this really cute cursive, and from the side, you may not be able to see. It might look like a Z to you from this angle, but it's actually a V. It says V for short for her name. This is like super, super adorable. My sister-in-law likes to make these lovely, incredible smoothies. So this is just a great cup for her. It's personalized. She loves the bling. She loves this color. So I imagine that she will enjoy this to drink her smoothies out of. Even if you want to just drink a cold beverage, whether it's a smoothie or not, this cup is great for any age, any occasion. It makes a wonderful gift. I'm just really impressed with how it came out. I think it looks even better because I used the Sharpie. You don't have to use the Sharpie, that is optional, but I think that when you use the Sharpie, it just gives it a nice fuller background. If you don't have a Sharpie, you can use some regular acrylic craft paint as well. This is how it looks from the side. You can see that it says V on there. I really do like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope you received some cool ideas for birthday gifts or just some great inspiration to do something like this for yourself or someone else. I will have a link where you can purchase this cup if you're interested, and I have links to other cups that are really cool that you can bling out as well. So look in my description for the links for rhinestones and for cups and the wax pen that I used in this video. Subscribe if you like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.